Is there any way to prevent a Mac from creating ._files? At work, we're letting one of our very tech-savvy clients actually help out a little with a few development projects specific to him. However, he uses his own personal MacBook, and as he edits files on our Windows networks, his MacBook always creates a bunch of unnecessary meta files that we end up deleting later. For instance, it creates a file called ds_store in any directory he opens, as well as ._files for each file he edits. So for instance, if he's editing a file called main.php, his MacBook will create another file called _main.php. I know there are ways to prevent creation of ds_store files, but none about how to prevent creation of these hidden files prefixed with ._. Is there any way to turn that off on Macs? Any way to prevent it from creating those files in the first place?
Have your Mac user install Blue Harvest.
On Linux file servers or NAS devices, you can use the following. Option A. Samba configuration modification preventing both resource shares and ds_store files. Veto files equals /._/.ds_store/. Delete veto files equals yes. Configuration file located at /etc/samba/smb.conference or /etc/smb.conference depending on your distribution. Disadvantages: not all shares are provided by Linux-driven NAS systems, or on most you don't have shell access. Option B. Create a simple shell script and run it from one of your connected machines using cron. Find /your network share location name ._exec/rm /. Replace /your network share location with where your network share is mounted, for example /volumes/share name or /media/share name, etc. Disadvantages: this is the brute's way, unnecessary load on both storage and network. However, the same can be easily done in Windows using a little PowerShell magic. Disclaimer: this is not what I call a solution, it's a hack. But it could help someone reduce the annoyance levels delivered by resource fork files.
Use a program other than Finder such as mucommander to browse your files. Works on local drives too. In OS X Lion, this method should allow default access to /library, without modifying settings or hitting Alt as well. I use mucommander on Snow Leopard and Lion and notice that neither HFS Plus or extract volumes end up littered with files with these files. Folks, there is another issue: file size. Many of the resource forks at least 4096 bytes even when the original file is under 4096 bytes, so eliminating this problem does help with file system bloat. For example, download the text file, this URL on a Mac and see for yourself.
Having a look into the free and aptly named Cleanup SMB Mess application. The developer says, this Apple script droplet will clean up Windows shares mounted through the macOS X Samba client, by removing all _files, ds_store files and trashes folders on all the volumes and folders dragged on it. I've only used with thumb drives and MP3 players, and it does what it says it does. I'm guessing it has to scan the device to remove the garbage, and that may be cumbersome on a large network share. But that's only speculation on my part. I'd suggest asking the developer.
you want to support data net, please consider